you doing? Come over. Come over. Come over. Come over. Come over.
Hey. Well, why you been watching me though? Just say something. Oh, look at these people. Hello. What's up, friends? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Kaye Lanhi, also known as Kaye, and we're kicking off another video. A continuation of the last video you seen. I don't know how the edit process gonna go, but hey, here we are, day 2 in Miami on a YouTube retreat with my girls. It's a Beauty by Simone TV. I am Kimberly P and Genovia Riel. Y'all, when I tell you to be able to go out of town and vibe with people that you've been talking to almost 2 years just via text message and Instagram and YouTube and stuff, but to get here and to, oh my God, yeah, we vibe, and it is everything. We are having so much fun. From the last video you probably seen, we went to we didn't do too much. We just kind of did what Kay do, go shopping and hang out, just kind of relax, because the traveling kind of was a lot. So now we have a fun-filled day of activities. If you have not, by the time y'all see this, the live will have been already posted, so you can go and check that out after this video. But we are getting ready for brunch, and then I forget, it's called Dunkaroo. It's a Caribbean spot that we're going to brunch at, and then we're gonna come back. We're gonna do the live, and then we're going on a boat. So we're going on some type of booze cruise. You guys are coming along. I'm gonna do my best to be intentional, but y'all, we really just be sitting like this morning. We was all sitting at the table like the aunties, honey, just vibing and laughing, warming up food from last night, and trying to figure out this thing called life, y'all. So yeah, I am probably not going to bring the camera with me for brunch. We're gonna film from the phone, but I'm gonna clean the lens so it ain't so easy. And then we're gonna take the camera on the boat, because the boat is at night, so it's gonna be a little dark, and we got this little light on here. So there's that. I need to get somewhere so I can show. I'm just about dressed because we're supposed to be leaving here in about. We're supposed to be leaving in like 20 minutes. I guess I can pretty much show. Oh Lord, hold on, y'all. I don't know how this gonna work, cause my little boobs keep coming from up here. Simone got the mirror with the full length. I'm gonna let them do an outfit check for me. That way I can hold my breath. What? That way I can hold my breath in while they get in there. Hopefully these damn nipples don't keep out. Girl, I don't want to have a nip slip. Let me see. I'm trying to see if I laugh, the shirt gonna raise up. Anyway, I'm rambling at this time. I had some music on and I was vibing out. Now it's quiet because, you know, YouTube don't allow you to be great. You can't jam music and get ready at the same time. So yeah. Oh girl, look at my skin looking almondy. Okay, I like this angle. Why you ain't tell me to start from this angle? Hey y'all. I almost want to start my whole damn intro over. I ain't gonna do that though. We know what the light is for when we come back and we get dressed for the booze cruise. Anyway, y'all, all this stuff that we doing and we're going is definitely gonna be linked below. I'm probably gonna do. I didn't do an unpack like I said I would. Ooh, girl, I ain't shit. But I am gonna sit down and kind of talk to you guys about how much prices and stuff was, and how you can come down here too for the fraction of the price and have a good time. Because to me, the ultimate goal is to have a good time. That's me. Everything else will fall in place. I ain't saying slum or nothing. I ain't saying, you know, not get what you want, but I just want you to be able to get what you want on a budget. So with that being said, I'm gonna put this chicken grease on my lips, slide these shoes on, and see where everybody else at on the getting ready stage. Hey y'all! y'all. Y'all want to take pictures when we get there?
I want to take pictures when we get there.
Yeah,
You
for
want to take
sure.
pictures when we get back? And then.
Oh, when we get there?
Oh.
Because we
Here go Kim and people looking at that.
did y'all?
I feel better when everybody is taking pictures with me.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we can do it.
So we can take it, yeah.
Because they have really pretty
Yeah.
aesthetic.
And I gotta say some stories on this old phone. Yeah, y'all gonna see these. Y'all get nipples. They get nipples. Baby, they is getting nipples. Y'all getting Janet Jackson.
Y'all bring it y'all camera.
This
I'm
fine.
bringing mine.
This
This is my camera.
this what they gonna get.
Camera.
I'm gonna take the camera to the boat.
My little thing.
But yeah, this what y'all gonna get.
It's like just a bag or freaking put it down.
Here, Kim got me.
I ain't got no.
You can wear it as a crossbody.
Yeah.
I know, but mine
I feel like I ain't
when I got this.
Cause sharing is caring. Girl, why I keep taking y'all down there under my boobs? I gotta hold the damn camera. I be talking, the shit be down here. Yeah. This is a bra-free Sunday.
We going over here.
Yes.
I was gonna wear no
Hang
bra, so
low.
you can actually see
Hang
the
high.
nipples through
We
my
ain't got no
dress.
bra.
Oh, okay.
Hang low.
Oh,
We ain't got no bras on with us.
and down.
And
And
Take mine
who
off.
gonna check us, boo?
Alright, y'all.
I hope it wasn't in slow-mo at the house. Hey, y'all. Oh, Lord, I don't know how we gonna hold this camera. How we gonna hold this camera and keep our boobs in this shirt all at the same time? So, girl, we is really gonna multitask. We're about to walk up to this brunch spot. They open at 12 and it's already packed. So, yeah. Yeah, wait a minute. Why Kim asks if we gonna eat on the inside or the outside? I'm already about to melt. But girl, let me stop giving these people a peep show. Holding this camera, these nipples falling out. And I'll be back. Now look how pretty my friends look. Thank you.
From her closet. This is Tiger Tea. Tiger Tea. Orangey color.
You coming back without the
Most
drink?
is completely wrong. I want an ask. There's $12 for one like flash. Yeah.
Y'all play too much.
That's how.
I understand.
So if you
But we
want the
thought
whole
we could get the
picture,
deal, though. That was
yeah,
good.
that's what I'm saying. They're like, what are you talking about? Like,
They like $12.
So for the
You already said it, so
Right. You gotta honor the price. 'Cause you have to honor the price because that's what y'all call us. And we
I
not
don't know
from
about that.
here.
The manager's probably not gonna let me. I wish I could, you know.
No, I'm just playing.
But if you want that whole, the whole picture, it's gonna be like 25 for one person. So it'd be $100, 25, 25 for $100 for one picture.
Yeah, we don't need a picture of ourselves.
Right now, we
Because a
good.
picture will probably
But,
give us
but
like,
if you want that small glass, just like a champagne glass, that would be $12.
Okay, yeah.
let me do a lemon drop.
Lemon
We're
drop.
not going to do the mimosa. I mean, I'm
What kind of bottle would you like?
sorry.
Tito's?
Tito's is good, yeah.
So 4 Tito's, a lemon drop.
Well, I don't know what they want. 2 lemon drops.
Okay.
What you doing?
We get satisfy my soul.
That's on myself.
Honestly, I feel like I need to get tequila and cream.
And to satisfy my soul, by the way, we don't have the
Just give me a tequila and
you know,
tequila and cranberry.
You got pineapple
Like, we don't
juice?
have
what kind of huh?
You got pineapple juice?
Yeah, we do have pineapple.
Okay, give me a tequila and pineapple.
Alright, so what kind of tequila would you like? Casamigos, Patron,
Don Julio.
Don Julio,
Yeah, Don.
Blanco, Reposado.
Blanco.
Is it wrong? Is it right? You know that I'm missing you, but I be getting mixed signals while you slow down. Don't stop this green light. Now you gotta be special when you know I can't have you. When I'm under the next one, oh, now you wanna get aggressive. Oh, do you mean you keep on making me believe nightmares turn into a dream? If you're so toxic to me, what am I feeling? Cause I thought it was over. Got me thinking my feelings over. You keep doing it over and over. You keep calling me back. I'm just trying to get closer. You pulling me closer and closer. Phone ringing like over and over. Cause you keep calling me back. La 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 la. Why you keep calling me back?
It's the photography for me, baby. Your friend don't be long and take your pictures. Y'all, we trying to get photos. Girl, baby, I am showing all my titties, all my nipples. I keep trying to pull the damn shirt down.
Now one, cause I just like how she just put.
I'm right. Okay, wait a minute. I got a few minutes. Let me sit down and talk to y'all. See y'all. We went to Dunkin'. A really nice vibe, really nice Caribbean vibe. Oh God, I'm covering the camera. I really enjoyed it. The food was good. I had plantains for the first time. So good with some red snapper in it. Baby, look here. It was good. Is that the spot across the street? Yeah, that's it. Across the street. And we're just over here getting a couple of photos in. We in here getting a couple of photos in. About to go to the house and get ready for the live. Probably take some more pictures, freshen up, and lay our stuff out for the boat, child. And probably, well, for me, I'm not gonna put everything up yet because we're not gonna leave till probably about noon to head towards the airport way. So yeah, we just serving colors out here, baby. We just giving Skittles. We giving Skittles. Well, my Skittle milk. Cause baby, it's hot as shit out here. So we're about to head to the house, guys. See y'all in the field.
You always wearing them glasses. You don't wanna let no sucker look you in your eyes, huh? Better show them eyes.
What is up, y'all? Okay. I'm sorry, I'm listening, y'all. Y'all, we just got through doing the live. Y'all hear the girls in the background, but we just got finished with the live, y'all. It was really good for our first live. We really enjoyed it. We had a good time. I know a lot of people couldn't make it, and that's fine. You can still watch the live stream. You can still watch it. We're gonna post it. It's still gonna be posted on our page, and so I'll link it down below if you missed it, and I'll link the other girls as well. But y'all, it was really good. Oh, that phone is at 67%. Yes, girl, this room is a disaster. We're about to get dressed and get ready to head to the boat because they said we cannot be late. It is a whole 1 hour check-in. Like, what are we doing? I don't understand why it's so long, but yeah, we have to be there in like, I'm looking at this, in like 2 hours. And we're gonna Uber there because we don't want nobody driving and having that pressure of driving us back. And I think it's probably about 7 minutes away. No, is it 7 minutes, girl? 17, just less than 20 minutes away. I'm gonna change clothes. Am I going out? Yeah. They talking about going out? Oh, okay, they gonna go out.
And when they gonna go out. I'ma come over and lay down. Yeah. If I'd have been on the boat with a bunch of people swimming, I'd be tired. But they can go out and then we gonna watch their vlog together, y'all. Let's see what happens. You ain't gonna be able to do it. I know my limits. So yeah, yeah. Hey y'all, we back. Girl, one day I'm gonna be able to show y'all this, my whole self body in the hold on. There we go. My whole self body in the frame. Girl, did I push record? Yes. So we got these pants, we got these red cover up pants from Crazy Boss. They is down to the floor. They almost some good times, baby. And Wanda. She's still in fast. And you all know me. I'm gonna have my shoulders out, so I'm always gonna give you something with no straps. But at least with this, thank you.
The pictures you showed us ain't doing no justice.
Really?
Yeah, right. You actually put it down.
Really?
It was in the picture, but it looked better in person.
Oh, they always say the best stuff. So yeah, y'all. She ready, y'all. She is ready. I need to girl, I think y'all know I overpack everything, girl. I got this little beach bag. I got it from Shein. Child, it's already pouring over. I ain't even put the damn camera yet. Y'all look at my bag. Go get y'all one. And then y'all get these shoes. Child, see, this too much. Ooh, Lord. Hold on. Then I keep getting out of frame. Wait a minute. Give me a minute. I'm going to show y'all a full length in a small mirror. Stand by. Y'all, we in the Uber, y'all. I think I'm in love. Thank you. Just FaceTime me. My eyes might look. Just FaceTime until you get to the airport. My eyes might be closed, but if you scream, I'm a head. Y'all, we're gonna wait till the flow. We decided to do the Uber instead of driving because it's a booze cruise. I'm not gonna stand here too long, girl, because I think he got music, radio on. Oh yeah, this is my birthday. It's 14.
Smooth in the motherfucker. Suede on the inside. Candy paint. I ain't gotta tell you what the rims look like. Look, I'm gripping wood like a motherfucker. She asked me, can a friend ride? Kelly wanna have a drink. And Johnny wanna pop pills all night. Look, don't be fucking with my tape, dad. You gon' listen to this Marvin. You gon' listen to this Bloodstone. Oh, y'all niggas want that Barry White. Well, I don't really fuck with that right there. I can make a nigga act up right there. But go and get your rocks off, boo. No, I don't really do all that, but it's more for you. I'm far from a pimp, but I'm close to you. You fucking with an old soul twice removed. My pops used to work up on the fighter jets. Maybe that's the reason I be through. Now who the fuck called me a player? I ain't one of these young niggas out here sweating for.
Hey y'all, look at that Tuesday. It's closed though. Y'all, we are about to board the cruise. Why am I tired? And we got 3 whole hours to go. Yeah. But we gonna make the best of it, honey. I got my H2O. I'm gonna let y'all know. I'm gonna tell y'all about the whole experience. I'm gonna let y'all know how it goes, and I'll see y'all on the boat.
Wrist so wet, I might drop. Bitch, don't talk, you going out tough. I done made 6 half for the whole week. Plug wanna play, then I'm going OT. I just made 4, 5, 7 on what? I hop in that scat and I'm betting your block. Nigga want scrap, well let it go rock. My little nigga got it, I bet he gon' pop. I can make 10 off face, no feeling. 6 got like krillin', I'm smoking gorilla. Couple my niggas just caught that nigga that was running off dog. I know they gon' kill him. Smoking, I'm killing.
One of them ones.
knows I did it for my granny. Back when we couldn't buy pizza cause we were down to pennies. Feel like we go back a century, run to the store for centuries. Then bring it back to your brother, man, we had to respect it.